how to find store profile settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings, and here we'll find store profile, and here you can change your store display name, and that's it. You can change it whenever you want, and then after changing it, just click save, and that's it. I hope that can help you because it's easy, and that's it for today's video. It's easy. I hope that can help you, and don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.